Hey everyone! Exciting news for OnePlus fans. The OnePlus 13 is officially launching in China on October 31st, and OnePlus has been teasing some incredible features that are sure to make this flagship a standout. So let's dive in. First off, let's talk about that display. Leaks on social media are pointing to the OnePlus 13 featuring a second-generation Oriental X28T LTPO AMOLED display. Now, what does that mean for you? In simple terms, expect stunning visuals with a buttery-smooth 120Hz refresh rate, HDR10+ support, and Dolby Vision, perfect for binge-watching, gaming, and everything in between. And it doesn't stop there. The display has some serious certifications under its belt, including DisplayMate A++ and TÜV Rheinland Intelligent Eye Protection 4.0. So, if you're someone who spends hours glued to your phone, you'll appreciate features like DC dimming and anti-flicker technology, designed to keep your eyes comfortable even during long sessions. But OnePlus isn't just focused on visuals. Connectivity is getting a major upgrade too. The OnePlus 13 will introduce Super Signal Engineering 2.0, a feature that's all about delivering optimized Bluetooth, network, and signal performance. Whether you're on a high-speed train, deep underground in a subway, or at a packed concert, this phone is designed to keep you connected with dedicated modes for all these tricky environments. Plus, it offers seamless network switching on campuses and stronger connectivity in notoriously tough spots like basements, elevators, and highways. With AI-driven transitions between Wi-Fi and cellular, you'll enjoy a more stable connection no matter where you are. And speaking of practicality, the OnePlus 13 comes with RainTouch 2.0 technology, which means you can use your phone even in wet conditions, or while wearing gloves. No more struggling with your phone when it's raining or freezing outside. For the gamers out there, OnePlus has also optimized the display to make sure touch responsiveness is on point, so you can enjoy smoother and more precise gaming. With all these exciting features, it's clear that OnePlus isn't just focusing on jaw-dropping visuals. They're doubling down on delivering a solid, reliable, and adaptable connectivity experience too. So, what do you think? Are you hyped for the OnePlus 13? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe for more update, and I will catch you in the next video. Peace out.